everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
What's up guys, and welcome back to Homes with Shields. In today's video, I'm going to run through some new options with you while also updating you about some things that we have added to our website. So today's video will be very helpful and informative for you. And as always guys, sit back and enjoy the show. Thanks. Alright, so last but not least, I wanted to show you guys a few things that we've had added to our website. So as you can see, we're on our website's homepage. If you scroll down, I've shown you guys this before, but I wanted to re-emphasize it. If you scroll down on our homepage to customize your home online and you click Start Designing, this will take you into our design software where you can go into your kitchen and bathrooms and actually pick your specific colors and have those colors come to life. So I'm going to do a white cabinets on the perimeter there. I'm going to do the island cabinet in blue, and you can actually change the countertops and all that good stuff. So, and you can do that same process with your bathrooms, tiles, countertops, all that stuff. So keep that in mind. That is one click away right there on the homepage of our website. Okay. And then if you click floor plans, any of the nationwide floor plans, so the Heartland bump out is a nationwide plan. Let's click on that. When you scroll down, you can click download Heartland series options. So I've had this brochure on the website for quite a while, but there have been some updates to it. I'm going to point out a few of those updates real quick. Number one, we have added some additional quartz countertops options. We've also taken away some of the granite options, and then we also have introduced some new sinks. So the fire clay or white porcelain sinks, got some different prep sink options now. So keep that in mind. And again, that is one click away on any of the nationwide plans. And then you can also click all nationwide / Cavco floor plans. When you click that, this is going to be for somebody who likes just to literally scroll, doesn't like clicking back and forth. They have all of the floor plans / exterior pictures all in this PDF. So as you can see, it's 101 pages, very lengthy, but it has all the floor plans or cut sheets just right there in order for you one by one. And we've also got some additional stuff in the works. I will put out another video once those updates come to fruition. So I hope this video was helpful, guys, and as always, thanks for the views and take care.